Hi friend, my name is Baram. These are my fig trees. They are so yummy. Nom nom nom. I pretend to eat them, but you put two of the dumps up here and then you open it by moving it like this.
Okay. Show us how to tell which one's ready to eat.
All big.
Okay, now can you pick one and show how you open it? Okay, do it. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wow. Let's look. Open it a little more. Okay. Now, can you eat it? How do you eat it?
Like this.
What do you think?
Yummy.
Yeah. Do you like?
Let's put it over here for a minute.
Why?
Because I don't like it to be like that. I eat only the outside too.
Oh, you like to eat the outside too?
Yeah.
Okay. Or you can just eat it like that way, right? Okay. Well, what do you think about the skin of the fig? What do you think?
Yummy.
Yummy?
Yeah.
So, do you like this, or you like ice cream, or you like candy? Which one's better?
This one.
This one? Okay. All right. Well, I'm glad you're so happy. So. Oh my God. Are we done yet? Okay. I gotta be like a magician right here. What? I eat this way because my tongue's a little sensitive to the little fine texture on the Desert King. Oddly, I'm just really sensitive. So that's why I
another one,
eat this way.
This is another one, but I will put it back in the basket.
Oh my God, did you squish that? Oh, the poor fig. Okay. Alright, say bye, friend Long.
No, give me that phone.
No.
But I miss friend.
I know, but you know, you're gonna start school. Let me say this again. Homeschool because of what's going on. So, say bye-bye, Long. Oh, you're sad? It's okay. Oh, you're pretending to be sad. Okay. Bye.